Daily English Talks.
Doing laundry and folding clothes. I think it's time to do the laundry because the basket is completely full and I cannot find my favorite blue shirt anywhere.
I noticed that too, and I was actually planning to wash my work clothes tonight since I have an early meeting tomorrow morning.
That sounds perfect. So let's separate the white clothes from the colored ones before we put everything into the washing machine.
Yes, we should be careful with the white shirts because they can easily change color if we mix them with darker clothes.
I will check all the pockets first because last time we forgot some coins and tissues inside the pants.
Thank you for reminding me, because I almost left my earphones inside my jacket pocket without realizing it.
The washing machine looks a bit full already, so maybe we should divide the clothes into 2 separate loads.
That is a good idea, because overloading the machine can prevent the clothes from getting properly cleaned.
I will add the detergent now, but I want to measure it carefully so we do not use too much soap.
Please also add a little fabric softener because I like it when our clothes smell fresh and feel soft.
I have selected the normal wash cycle, and it says it will take about 45 minutes to finish.
While the clothes are washing, we can clean the living room, or maybe just relax with a cup of tea.
I prefer to tidy up the kitchen first so that we can rest peacefully after finishing all the chores.
That sounds productive, and I appreciate how organized you always are when it comes to housework.
The washing machine just made a sound, which means the first load is already done.
Let me help you take the wet clothes out because they can be quite heavy.
Thank you, and please shake each piece of clothing a little before putting it into the dryer to reduce wrinkles.
I will spread them evenly inside the dryer so that they can dry properly and quickly.
While the dryer is running, we can start washing the second load of colored clothes.
I have already separated the dark jeans from the light shirts to avoid any color problems.
That is very thoughtful of you, and it makes the whole process much smoother.
I used to think doing laundry was boring, but now I see it as a relaxing routine at the end of the day.
I agree with you because it feels satisfying to see clean clothes neatly folded in the closet.
The dryer just stopped, so I will bring the laundry basket to the table for folding.
Let's fold the big towels first because they take up the most space in the basket.
I will fold the towels in half and then into a neat rectangle so they fit nicely on the shelf.
I will start folding the t-shirts carefully so they do not get wrinkled before we wear them.
Could you show me again how you fold the shirt so perfectly and evenly every time?
Of course! I simply fold the sides inward and then fold the bottom up to make a clean square shape.
That actually looks easy when you do it, so I will try to copy your method step by step.
You are doing great, and the shirts look much better than when you first started learning.
Thank you for encouraging me because I used to just roll the clothes and throw them into the drawer.
It is nice to see how teamwork makes simple chores faster and more enjoyable.
I completely agree, because finishing household tasks together gives us more free time later.
Please hang the dresses and the button-up shirts on hangers so they stay smooth.
I will place them carefully in the closet and arrange them by color to keep everything organized.
The second load should be done washing by now, so we can repeat the same drying process.
I am glad we decided to do laundry tonight instead of waiting until the weekend.
Yes, finishing it now means we can relax tomorrow without worrying about chores.
I enjoy the fresh scent of clean clothes because it makes the whole house feel cleaner.
Folding clothes while talking with you makes the task feel less tiring and more meaningful.
I feel the same way because small moments like this help us stay connected.
Let's match the socks carefully so we do not lose any pairs.
I always wonder how socks disappear, even though we wash them together every time.
Maybe they hide somewhere in the washing machine, but at least today, all the pairs seem complete.
That is a relief because I need matching socks for my presentation tomorrow.
Everything is almost folded now, and the laundry basket is finally empty.
I will wipe the top of the washing machine quickly to keep the area clean.
Thank you for helping me with the laundry, because it feels much easier when we share the work.
You are welcome. And I think doing chores together strengthens our relationship.
The closet looks so neat and organized after putting all the folded clothes away.
It really does, and it gives me a sense of accomplishment after a busy day.
Next time, we should create a regular laundry schedule to stay consistent.
That is a smart idea because it will prevent the laundry basket from overflowing again.
I am glad we finished everything efficiently without feeling stressed or rushed.
Me too. And now we can sit down and enjoy a peaceful evening together.
Maybe we can watch a movie while wearing our freshly cleaned and comfortable clothes.
That sounds wonderful, and it feels rewarding after completing all our household tasks.
Thank you again for being such a supportive partner in both small and big responsibilities.
I am always happy to help, especially when we turn simple chores into meaningful moments together.